How to install n8n on Windows. So the first thing that you need to do is install node.js. You can do this from the link right here, nodejs.org. So I'm gonna open up this webpage and I'm gonna download this by clicking download. Now that it's been downloaded, simply open up the executable, click run. Next, let's accept these. And you can put this into whatever drive or folder you want. Because I don't have any space on my C drive, I'm gonna place this into my downloads. Let's click next, next, and install. Let's click yes here. Now let's click finish. And step 1 is complete. Now let's head over to step 2. And it says open your terminal/command prompt. So let's type in command prompt. And let's type in npm install n8n -g. Click enter. So let's just wait for the installing to finish. Now that you're done with that, type in n8n start and click allow access. Now here I can either press O to open in browser. There you go. Or I can just type in http localhost 5678. And here set up your owner account. Let's click to receive security and product updates and click next. Let's answer these questions and get started. And here we can get the free license key and we can find this in our email. And I'm just gonna copy this license key, click usage and plan. And there you go. That's how to install n8n on Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.